why every beginner needs a PLC simulator now. Are you tired of feeling left behind in the industrial automation industry? As a beginner, it can be overwhelming to keep up with the latest technologies and trends. That's why PLC simulation is more crucial than ever. We'll explore the importance of PLC simulation and why it's essential to get started with it right away. We will discuss their features and the benefits they provide for you. Whether you're a student, engineer, or just starting in the industry, you won't want to miss this post. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in. Detailed information contained in this video can be found at accautomation.ca. A link has been provided below. The website offers extensive links, references, and coding samples, making it a one-stop shop for all your automation queries. accautomation.ca. For beginners diving into the world of programmable logic controllers, PLCs, a PLC simulator is an absolute must-have. A PLC simulator acts as a bridge between theoretical knowledge and practical application. It allows you to gain confidence, develop essential skills, and make significant progress in your PLC journey before ever touching a piece of actual hardware. Cost effectiveness: PLC simulators. Actual PLC hardware can be very expensive. A simulator allows beginners to learn and practice programming without the need to invest in costly physical equipment. Many OEM, original equipment manufacturer software suites, come with built-in simulators, and there are also free or affordable third-party options available. Why pay thousands of dollars for a PLC software package and then pay year after year for maintenance fees? One of the most popular PLC simulators is in the Do More Designer. This is a fully functional free package that programs in ladder logic diagrams similar to those used by Alan Bradley. Safety and risk-free learning. With a simulator, you can experiment freely without the risk of damaging expensive hardware or, more importantly, causing safety hazards. You can make mistakes, try different logic configurations, and learn from them in a safe, controlled environment. PLC programming is all about practical applications. A simulator provides a virtual sandbox where you can write, test, and debug your ladder logic programs. This hands-on experience is crucial for developing a solid understanding of how PLCs work and for translating real-world problems into PLC code. Accessibility and convenience. You can run a PLC simulator on your personal computer, making it accessible anytime, anywhere. This eliminates the need for specialized labs or dedicated hardware, allowing for flexible learning at your own pace. You do not need to have your hardware present to test and implement your control ideas. This saves you time. Many PLC simulators are designed to mimic the look and feel of actual PLC programming software from major manufacturers like Rockwell Automation's RS Logix or Siemens TIA Portal. This helps beginners become familiar with the industrial standard tools they'll encounter in professional settings. Understanding program execution. Simulators allow you to go online with the virtual PLC and observe how your program executes in real time. You can monitor input and output responses, identify logical errors, and see the sequence of operations under various conditions. This visual feedback is invaluable for grasping the flow of control in a PLC program. PLC simulators follow the same scan cycle as a physical PLC. Read inputs, execute program, communication, and diagnostics, and write outputs. Solving logic is also the same. The PLC will solve the ladder logic left to right, top to bottom. The output from the previous rung is available for use by the next rung. Troubleshooting and debugging skills. A key skill in PLC programming is troubleshooting. Simulators provide an excellent platform for practicing identifying and correcting errors in your logic. You can step through your program line by line, observe data values, and pinpoint where issues arise. While a physical PLC might be limited in the scenarios you can realistically test, a simulator allows you to create and test a wide variety of complex conditions and sequences, including those that might be difficult or unsafe to replicate in a real-world setting. Some advanced simulators even allow you to simulate or communicate with HMI, human-machine interface, interactions. This is done through the Ethernet connection on your computer. Based on this information, some PLC simulators can also integrate with 3D environments to replicate real-world systems, such as conveyor belts, elevators, or bottling plants. Machine Simulator is a package from Nurtec that will allow you to connect your simulator or physical PLC. A PLC simulator serves as a bridge between theoretical knowledge and practical application. It provides you with the opportunity to build confidence, develop your essential skills, and make significant progress in your PLC journey before working with actual hardware. There are many different PLC manufacturers, each offering their hardware and software. All programmable logic controllers share similar basic features. To learn how to approach learning about basic PLCs, click here. Click here to learn more about how PLC simulators can be used to help your programming skills.